how to fix you can't message this account unless they follow you. Sometimes guys, you when you gonna send DM to someone private account, and you will find this type of issue. Let's say I just want to no, so you just see that you can't message this account unless they follow you. So how you can fix this and how you can send DM this account. So yeah guys, so first off guys, you need to open any browser like Chrome or Safari which you have right now in your mobile phone. Once you open, you will log in your account. Make sure you have log in your account, that account where you want to send direct message. Once you open the account, you will go the direct message, tap on the search bar right here, find that ID, that person. When you when you find that person like this, you're gonna tap on that, and after that it will give you the message option. Sometimes people worried about see the you can't message this account unless they follow you. Then you will see this message option when you open with browser. After that you can see you can type any message that you want to send and tap on send. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.